Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Now I am on natural gas, which is a, which is just live, and the time is 23:39, which means it's 11:40 right now, and market will close in 10 minutes now. So I am back with this video. I have already put one video which was about VWAP plus RSI. So this I am going to explain you with some deep knowledge about VWAP. Now this chart is just, I have only one indicator, that is VWAP, and there is no RSI in this. Now I will tell you what is the importance of VWAP in this. As you can see, today is 26th of February, and as you can see, the first morning session was a slightly sell side. It was slightly sell side, and then it was sideways over here, and then it was little bit up, and then again upwards. So the market has given a very bright opportunity for every trader. I'll show you what was the opportunity. As I have already told you that if the VWAP like if any candle crosses the VWAP, then we have to go for buy or sell. Now I'll tell you the example. See, in the morning session, this candle has given us the signal, this red candle, and the stop loss is the previous candle high, which is this candle, this red candle. So here I'm trying to explain you that this has given us a signal. This would be our stop loss, and as you can see, my entry would be here, somewhere around here, which is 201.5. A bearish candle which had crossed the VWAP, it means it will go for sell. It means we have to short. Now in 201.5 we will go for short, and the target we have achieved, that is 199. So that is almost 1.5 or more. So that is more than enough for a small trader, and it's risk free. Again, I'll show you the second signal which has given in natural gas. See, here was our target. Now we will exit this, correct? Again, this was sideways. Now what we have to do is we have to wait for any candle to cross over the VWAP, which means the candle which is a bullish one, or otherwise it should be an engulf. Now this, as you can see, it was 5 p.m. This was 5 p.m. candle which has given us a second signal to go for high. So this was our entry, this is our stop loss, sorry, this candle, red candle, which was previous one, and this would be our target. Now I will show you what was our target. This candle, this green candle, okay, has given us a signal. We have to go for this 202.2, which will go for buy, and our target is 205 approx. So that means we have achieved 2.5 points over here, correct? Now again we have got a third signal from this. Now we have to wait for a third signal. Otherwise a market will go upward like this, or otherwise market will come down and will give us an opportunity. As you can see, this is called bullish engulf. This candles, red and this green one, this is called bullish engulfing. I'll show you. This was the second signal. We can go for high, and this would be our target. Again we have to exit, otherwise wait for the target, or else what we can do is we will exit over here 205.2. Again we will wait for the signal. This is called bullish engulfing. This is red candle, this is green candle. Now here Here we will go for buy, that is 202.7. Our target has achieved. See, still our market is still live, it's just like it will close in 5 minutes now, but see the target, can you just check? This is 202.5 and here is 206. Wow, this is really awesome. And our stop loss would be the previous candle low, which means this 200.7 would be our stop loss. You don't need to worry about, be stress free when you trade. Just wait for the candle. Don't haste when you are in trading. We should never haste. We have to wait for the opportunity. Whether let market take some time, let it sustain for some time. Market will definitely give us an opportunity. Not once, it gives us twice or thrice maybe. So this is the scenario. When the market starts, we have to wait for the proper candle. As I have already said, this was our proper candle, this red one. It gave us sell opportunity. Again, this green candle, which was this, again gave us a high signal. Again, this engulfing, this gave us a buy signal. And this is our stop loss, this one is our stop loss, and this is our stop loss. Just see, this is so simple. It's very simple. Even if you get one trade out of this, then it is like good. Just enter one trade, exit, and just relax and don't over trade. So this is the way. Wait for the opportunity. Natural gas will definitely give us an opportunity. This was 26th Feb. Now I'll show you something about 25th of February, as I have already shown in this video. See, again I'll tell you. First candle which will touch VWAP proper. At least the body should touch, it should be in between. See this candle. See this green candle. The VWAP had crossed. Are you getting my point, what I'm trying to say? Correct me please if I'm wrong. And this red candle, this previous candle, this candle, our stop loss would be this red candle low. Buffer 0.2 points, not a problem. This would be our stop loss. This proper candle. A candle should be green, which should be like this. A green candle. Are you getting me? I'll show you. This is the green candle. VWAP should cross this body. I'll show you again. This green candle, whether it is like this, whether it is like this, whether it is just without no wick, it should cross the halfway body. So this will go high. Now you can see this was the candle which gave us a signal for high, and see the target. Unbelievable. See this target. Again, if you want to go for sell, same like bullish, same it is. A candle should be red, like this, or a small one like this, or with it should have 1 week. If there is 1 week, then definitely the target would be achievable. See, if there is 1 week which is downwards, 1 week which is downwards, 1 week which is downwards, the VWAP should cross this way. This will definitely go for sell. See this candle, it has crossed, VWAP has crossed over the body. This would be our stop loss, that is 206.5. Entry would be here 204.4. Our target is 201.7. Easily achievable, very easy. Natural gas, it is very easy. I don't think you don't need to trade Bank Nifty, stock options, or any other. I think one natural gas is more than enough and crude oil is more than enough. Today I am actually showing you about the VWAP natural gas. I'll show you crude oil also, but this is about natural gas. So hope you understood. Green candle and red candle, which will give us a signal with a single wick. With a single wick, why I'm saying about single wick, it's just because the target is easily achievable. This candle and the VWAP should cross this way, and we have if we have a green candle if we have a green candle, it should be upper wick. It should cross like this. The target would be definitely, it will definitely come. I've shown you this 25th and 26th of Feb. As you can see, this is a clear signal, very clear signal. Please try to understand. See this candle. Are you getting my point? This is 11 a.m. candle has given us a signal, a sell signal. Let this candle complete. I have taken 15-minute chart. Let me repeat, I have taken 15-minute chart. Let this candle get complete and let the other candle starts. We will sell it from there. 201.5 and the target is C 199. Again this one. See this green upper wick. VWAP has crossed the body and see we have achieved the target. Again see this one. This is double wick. Why I'm showing you this double wick? There is one reason behind this. The reason is only that is engulf. This is called engulf. And see this, the target. So hope you understood VWAP strategy. I don't think any indicator is required. If you see any candle crosses, see the morning chart, see, keep just VWAP and see which candle crosses the VWAP and see the target would be easily achievable. Very easy. Still, I'll show you one more. I'll show you one more which is last. I don't want to stretch my video. I'll show you one more thing. See this candle. See this candle. These are three bearish candle which is giving us a signal that it will go for sell. See our target 1.5 2 points are easily achieved. Okay, again see this. This 24th of Feb has given us a very sideways movement because the market was moving from 204 to 208, so the opportunity was very less, but still we have already achieved the target. See this is the target, this was the sell target. Again see the candle, look for the candle, this green candle. Okay, it has crossed the VWAP, but here the stop loss must have hit, but no, the stop loss is not hit. We'll wait for 1 week. 1 week candle. See this is called bearish engulf. Here we could have gone for sell. At least put a stop loss of 1.5. See what candle shows us. This is going for sell. Just wait for the target, wait for the VWAP, let it touch the VWAP. See this candle again. See this candle, a sell signal. Okay, so this is the way it should touch. It should touch the body halfway. It should not, like, that should not be like it has touched here, it has touched here. No, we need at least it should touch here near the, like, in the center, on the center of the body. That is giving us a very clear signal about it. See this one, this candle, this red one. Okay, 1 week which is like this, lower week. That means this will go for short. So it's very simple as that. Hope you understood what I'm trying to say. And thank you for watching my channel. I'll come up with one more strategy for crude oil very soon. Please subscribe to my channel and please be updated about this. Thank you so much for watching my channel.